Everybody, hola and welcome to another kasiloose video, and today we have the, I might say, the highlights of Case E. If you haven't seen the unboxing yet, you can go check it out first. Yup, so we're going to kasiloose some of the cars in Case E 2021. Yes it is. Starting with the new casting car di Asada. Look at that. That's a taco car. Yup, that is very delicious looking. Yes it is. Kasiloose. And there you go. Car di Asada. Taco car. With limes on the side there, on top of a plate. Look at that, wow. There's tortilla chips there, lime. Yup, taco cars. With a big engine there. This is the helmet. Yummy, yummy. Nice. Maybe we put it up a bit. Car di Asada. Next, we're going for the hot tub, which is an old casting. St. Patrick's Day. Kasiloose. So this one has been retooled. From what I can find some information, it's a retooled hot tub. So if you have the old hot tub, you guys can comment what's the difference between the old one and this retooled version. Yes it is. Let's take a closer look. I think the old hot tub has a steering wheel, right? Sort of like a big, I don't know, so a big steering wheel. So this is a plastic base, metal body. There. There's a staircase there into the hot tub. Beautiful. Interesting. Because one thing that throws me off is, see that there's a 2020 Mattel, so it shows that it's a new casting, but definitely not hot tub. For those who like the hot tub, there you go. Coming back to Hot Wheels main line. Yes it is, the hot tub. St. Patrick's Day, green. Next, we're following the theme of green. Is the 55 Chevy Bel Air Guster. Never seen this game before. Guster. What does it entails? Mattel Games Guster under the Bel Air Guster. Kasiloose. The green Bel Air Guster. Very what is it called? Noxious green and yellow there. Guster. Let's take a closer look. There you go, the Guster there. Does it involve excrement or the wind that comes from your bottom? Guster with a chrome engine and interior. Yup, Bel Air Guster. Interesting choice there. Moving on, we're going for the duck and roll, glow in the dark. Duck and roll, look at that. Kasiloose. all the body, the wheels are glow in a dark, using a glow in the dark material, just like this. That's kind of disappointing. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I love the duck and roll. Definitely among all the street beasts, fantasy, wacky looking car, duck and roll, one of the best. Yep, duck and roll. Just maybe to see the, that is terrifying looking duck. Yep, yes it is. That's the duck and roll. So next one, we're off with the 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version under the HWJ imports. Look at the color there with the sort of like the gold rim. Look at that. Really dig this color. Wow. Wow. That is perfection. It's a metal flake. It's sort of a very dark blue metal flake, midnight blue or something like that. The wheels complement it nicely. And of course, headlight details, tail light details. And there's a license plate, the Hot Wheels. Loving all of this. Yes, it is. It's a home run for me. Yup. For the Subaru. And continuing the J imports, we have the number 2. It's the 98 Honda Prelude with a black hood there. Look at that. Yellow black hood. Plastic headlights with interior details on the tail lights. Yummy. There's a small detail of Honda. See that in the front there, very small. And on the back, Prelude. This is awesome. Yes it is. Nice. Yup. So there's 10 HWJ imports, so I'm very eager to see what else under the J imports. Yup, yes it is. Look at that. That is beautiful. We have the Subaru, we have the Prelude. What's next? 67 Camaro Dream Garage, a real life car painted by Ornamental Conifer, which is awesome. Yes it is. Yep. Nice. And there you go, side top. Wow, worldwide. A real life car made into Hot Wheels mainline. Worldwide. Focus a bit, but what you see there. Optimism, worldwide optimism. AACCE, there you go in the front there, in the hood. Authentic, genuine certificate. Okay, sort of like a not a printing error there, perpetual childhood. QC's change. Conifer 2019 RS. Conifer Commission Logistics perpetual childhood race service. Beautiful. Yes it is, and it's a plastic base, of course. It's a main line and no opening hood for the 67 Camaro, but that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Yes it is. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And coming to the last three, again for this one, the 67 Ford GT40 MkIV. Beautiful. Look at that. Kasiloose. In red with white racing stripe on the side and on the top there. Look at that. That is nice. That is nice. Window piece part of the headlights, but with details underneath it, as you can see there, which is awesome. They did this. Wow. Smoky window, so barely can see the interior, but there you go. Bigger wheels at the back there. Number one. Love those lines, the silhouette. Wow. Look at that. This is awesome. This is awesome. Yes it is. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. A new casting, Corvette C8R, the Corvette C8 Racing Edition. Yeah, kasiloose. There you go, yellow. So what do you guys think? Hot Wheels Corvette C8, but in a racing liveries there, with wings and everything, spoilers. And Matchbox has done one, so let's compare it between the two. Look at that. The blue is the Matchbox. Of course, there's the tail light details there. One thing Hot Wheels done is doing the headlights as part of the window piece. So there's no need to put a decal there, to put a tempo there, not like the Matchbox. But yeah, look at that. Let's go into details. Look at that. Stock version and racing version. And of course, there's no details on Hot Wheels at the back there. The deco there, the tempo, but it has on Matchbox. But yeah, I like it when it's a plastic piece on the headlights, part of the window piece, so you can do other decoration on other parts of the car, which is awesome. C8R number 4, yellow. Look at that. Nice. So that's the engine part there, the Hot Wheels. Interesting, sort of like empty there, couldn't be seen. Hot Wheels using a very smoky window piece, so barely we seen the interior. Yes it is. Yup, that's the C8R. Sorry about that. C8R by Hot Wheels. Nice. And the last car, The last car. Look at that. Just look at the beauty. Yep. Kasiloose. There you go. And yes, I didn't open it up. Are you crazy? Oh my god, I couldn't open it up. Yeah, that is so beautiful. Oh my, and it's a super. So I'll show you the normal regular one, because it's kind of the black is kind of similar. I couldn't see any difference in terms of the tone of the black, and the decoration is also the same apart from the TH. Only the wheels are different, so it's appropriate to show you the regular one. But look at that, KNN. And Hot Wheels have done a super also on the Corvette with a similar decoration, so it's a very good companion with this car. See that? That is beautiful. Yes, it is. Nothing on the back. Almost the same in terms of the tone of the color. Just the difference of the wheels, rubber wheels. But there you go, the KNN Corvette C706 convertible, which is a super for the case. Yep, and there you go. All cars that I think deserve the kasiloose treatment. What do you guys think? Case E, huh? Nice, right? Very, very nice. So if you subscribe, give a thumbs up, notification bell button, share if you want, comment down below. Yes, it is. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.